Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. And the first thing which we can see here, that is the just protective case. So just let's use it. Okay. Let's check the another accessories. Let's check this box. So we can find here the SIM eject tool and the paper works. This is the warranty cards, quick start guides and the safety guides. So let's check another boxes. Let's open it, and here we can find the charger brick, the original ZTE charger brick with all of the specs, and also we can find here the earbuds and the 3.5mm headphones adapter. And the next box, I think, yeah, here we can find the USB Type-C cable. So that is of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.